Hello kids! Today we will learn how to draw a beautiful and delicious rainbow strawberry. Watch until the end to taste this beautiful mix of colors. It's painting time! First we will use dark green and purple for our delicious strawberry. Blue. Light green. Yellow. Orange. And finally, red. Let's touch up the colors a little. Strawberry dots. What a delicious strawberry, isn't it? If you liked the video, then subscribe and watch our other videos. Thanks for watching, kids.